Once Thanksgiving is over, I'm ready to start on my Christmas decor. And I always start with my kitchen vignette. So in this video, I am giving you the details for my Christmas Kitchen Vignette 2019. But before we get into that, if you're new to my channel, I'm Denise Jordan, and I teach women to make wise home, health, and beauty decisions. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, hit that subscribe button and double tap that little bell icon so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Okay, let's get into the details. I love my kitchen vignettes, but I think the Christmas kitchen vignette is one of my most favorite. So if you've been following me, you know I was fiending for roosters summer and fall. But this time for Christmas, I'm thinking I'm in love with penguins. But before I get there, let me just give you the details of that challenge. And I've got my notes right here just to make sure I get it right. So first of all, your Christmas kitchen vignette must be in your kitchen, and it must be on a tray so that it can be portable. And the reason why it must be on a tray is because if it's in your kitchen, and if you've got a small or limited space in your kitchen like I do, then those surfaces are prime real estate, which means that you need them for prep or for serving. So your vignette must be on a tray so you can move it aside and use that countertop, that island, that table for whatever you need to use it for. So it must be on a tray so that it can be portable. Now, whether or not that tray is a single tray, a two-tiered tray, or a three-tiered tray, that is totally up to you, but it just must be on a tray so that it can be portable. And then it must include Christmas decor. I mean, after all, it is your Christmas kitchen vignette. So yes, it must include Christmas decor. And you can decide what kind of Christmas decor you want, but you get bonus points if you use a penguin. I think penguins are so cute, and Pier 1 had the most beautiful penguins last year. So I picked up a couple at their end of the season clearance sale. So you just might see a penguin in my kitchen vignette this year. You must include some kind of floral. That floral can be a poinsettia, it can be holly, it can be pine cones, whatever is appropriate for the Christmas season where you live. Right now, my backyard is full of pine cones, so you'll probably see a pine cone or two in my Christmas kitchen vignette. So you just use whatever makes sense for you and your area. It must include something with words on it, and that something can be a mug, it can be a plate, it can be a book, a card, a plaque, whatever you want, as long as it has words on it. You get to decide what form those words take. And then use the title Christmas Kitchen Vignette 2019 with Denise Jordan. Again, that's Christmas Kitchen Vignette 2019 with Denise Jordan. And use the hashtag Christmas Kitchen Vignette 2019. And as always, you must be subscribed to my channel and mention my channel in your description box as well as in your video. And then I will have a playlist available for you. So of course, mention the playlist. So of course, mention the playlist in your video and then link the playlist in your description box as well. The playlist will be available on my video on the day that we deploy. Now let's talk about video upload date. We're going to upload our videos on December 2nd at 7 a.m. Eastern. Again, that's 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. And please don't upload your videos early. Let's all upload our videos at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on December 2nd so that we can all gain traction together. Now my Christmas kitchen vignette tends to be one of the favorites and is always a lot of fun. And I tell you what, when you look at those vignettes, it's like each one is cuter than the last one. So I hope you will join me in this Christmas kitchen vignette for 2019. If you're in, drop me and I'm in the description box below. And in case you're wondering what a vignette is, it's like a little scene, a little set, a little tableau. Let me show you what my fall kitchen vignette looked like. Hang on a second. So here is my fall kitchen vignette, and you can see my rooster love right there. But again, notice that it was portable because I could just slide it out from that space on the counter and move it over here. And you can see here I've got a little greenery for my floral, a little bit here. Here's some fall decor. And then this was my rooster, and just, you know, just different things that are in there. But all of this fall stuff is going to be swapped out for Christmas. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask. Just drop them in the comment section below. And I will link last year's Christmas Kitchen Vignette playlist below, just so you can check those out, get your ideas percolating. And I'll also link the fall kitchen vignettes below, just in case you wanted to get a few more ideas from those. Again, that's December 2nd at 7 a.m. Eastern. December 2nd is a few days after.
Hello. Hello.
And just so you know, I've raised 3 children. I've managed a home for more than 45 years, and I am a nurse by profession. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, subscribe. I would love to have you as a member of the TNT community. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying goodbye. I will see you in the next video.